Good morning class. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Again I am friend of you. Welcome again Maths online class. Today we will going to teach about skip counting backward direction. So previous class में हमने skip counting forward के बारे में पढ़ा था. So today we will discuss skip counting backward direction. So let's start. Please be ready your pencils, eraser and notebook. Okay? Look at the board. Please watch carefully all of you and listen to me. Please. First heading. Right now your notebook. Skip count by 3. Skip count by 3. So let's start the example now. Skip counting by 3 backward directions. For example, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and then 24. Right now fast. 15 to 24. Start the skip count by 3 backward direction. It means इसे हम कहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे? पीछे से, बैक. काउंटिंग फॉरवर्ड में हम आगे से स्टार्ट करते हैं और बैकवर्ड काउंट में हम पीछे से स्टार्ट करते हैं. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. यू कैन सी फर्स्ट डिजिट इज 24. सो 24. बिफोर दैट स्किप काउंट बाय 3 backward direction. So 23, 22 and 21. 23, 22 and 21. Okay, 21. Before that, skip count by 3 backward directions. 20, 19 and 18. Is that clear all of you? And the next one is 18. Before that, 3 skip count by 3 backward directions. 17, 16 and 15. So answer that last digit is first digit. So 24, 21, 18 and 15 is this answer. Is that clear all of you? Any problem? I repeat again. Please listen. 15 to 24 count number. Topic is skip count by 3 backward direction. So let's start the 24. Before that, skip count by 3. So 23, 22 and 21. First of all, 24. After before skip 3, 21, 21. Before skip count by 3, 18 and 18. Before that skip count by 3 backward direction 15. Is that clear? Right now fast. Let's take another example. 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78 and 79. So right now 67 to 79. Count them. Your notebook fast. So let's start the backward direction. This line. So first of all 79. 79. Before that, skip count by by 3 backward. So 78, 77 and then 76. 76. Okay. Again 76. Before that skip count by 3 backward. 75, 74 and 73. Okay. Watch carefully all of you. Backward directions. इसीलिए हम इसे पीछे से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. अगर काउंटिंग फॉरवर्ड होता तो हम आगे से स्टार्ट करते. Start 73. Before that skip count by 3. So count the 3 before numbers. 72, 71 and 70. Okay. Then again 70. Before that skip count by 3. 69, 68 and 67. So let's start the answer. First of all, last digit now. 79, 76, 73, 70 and 67. Is that answer? Is that clear all of you? Skip count by 3 backward directions. So right now fast. Any problem? Any problem? Yes or no? Answer me. Okay. Next topic is skip counting by 5. Write your notebook. Skip counting by 5. So let's start. Examples. Thirty-five, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 and then 45. So count the number 35 to 45. Skip count by 5 backward direction. So right now fast. Let's start the answers in backward. So last digit is 45. 45 before that skip count by 5. So 44, 43, 42, 41 and 40. So like that 45 is first, 40 is second. The next one is 40. Before that skip count by 5 backward direction. So let's start the count. 39, 38, 37, 36 and 35. So answer is last digit to start 45 and next 40 and then next 35. So skip count by 5 digits backward directions. Skip count by 5 backward directions. Okay, skip count by 5 backward directions. First of all, I repeat again. Listen, 35 to 45. Okay, count to 35 to 45 and last digit again before that 45 to start count the number, then skip count by 5. So let's start 44, 43, 42, 41 and then 40. So answer them. First digit is 45, second digit is 40, then again 40. Before that skip count by 5 backward Okay, so let's start the count. 39, 38, 37, 36 and 35. So answer is 35. Is that clear? Right now fast. Any problem all of you? So next topic is, let's take another examples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So let's start the skip count by 5 backward directions. Right now fast your notebook. Okay? Right now fast. Let's start. The last digit is 20. So before that, skip count by 5. Count the number. 19, 18, 17, 16 and then 15. Okay. Next one is 15. Before that, skip count by 5. 14, 13, 12 and 11. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 10. Okay students, answer is 10. So 10 before that, skip count by 5. So count the number. 9, 8, 7, 6 and 5. Okay. 5 before that, ये 10 इस रो में आएगा ना, तब हम इसे इस डायरेक्शन से लेके ऐसे लिखेंगे. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर? 10 से स्टार्ट करेंगे इस रो को और इस टाइप से ऐसे लिखेंगे 5 तक. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द 5. रिपीट अगेन. बिफोर दैट skip count by 5. 4, 3, 2 and 1 and 0. So let's start the answer. देखिए, अब मैंने 1 से स्टार्ट किया था. So 5, 10, 15 and 20. But 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 before that 5 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Not a 0. यहाँ मैंने 0 नहीं लिखा था. So हम इसे, अगर हम यहाँ 0 लिखते हैं तो हम आंसर्स में 0 फिल करेंगे. बट हमारे पास काउंटिंग में 0 नहीं है, तो हम यहाँ आंसर्स फॉलो 0 नहीं करेंगे. इज दैट क्लियर? सो आंसर इज स्टार्ट 20, 15, 10 and 5 is answers. Okay, I repeat again. 1 to 20 count, but 0 is not available just now. So हम यहाँ 0 आंसर्स में फिल नहीं करेंगे, बिकॉज यहाँ हमने 0 नहीं लिखा. अगर हम यहाँ 0 लिखते तो हम बैकवर्ड 5 काउंट करते जो 0 पे आता. ओके, बट हमारे क्वेश्चंस में 0 नहीं था, सो हम आंसर्स में 0 नहीं लिखेंगे. इज दैट क्लियर? ये आंसर 5. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज these examples now complete it. First is 5, 10, 15. First is 5, 10, 15. So let's start the answers. First of all, you can see 5, 10, 15. Differences is skip is 5 to 10. Count the number 5 skips. So count the number 5 to 10. Counting forward 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then again counting forward 10 to 15, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 5 numbers skip to complete the pattern. After that 5 number skip, count by 5, complete them. So first of all 5, 10, 15, 15 after that 5 skip, 20. 20 after that 5 skip, count the number 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. Is that clear? Then again 25 after that skip 5. So 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. 30, 30. After then again repeat 30 after that 5 skip count 32, 35 and then next one 35 skip count by 5. So 40. Is it? Complete them. Okay. Then another example 16, 26 and 36. So counting forward 16 to 26. After that count the number 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. 2 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So skip count 16. After that skip by 10. So answer is 26. 26. After that skip by 10. So answer is 36. Right now complete the answer 36. After that 10. Count the number, your finger. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 and 46. And total fingers is 10. So answer is 46. Again count the finger 46 after that 10, 56. 56 after that skip count by 10. So count the number your finger fast. 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65 and 66. Is that clear? Then again 66 after that by skip count 10, 76. Is that clear? And skip count by 10, but easy method is last digit is same 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Only on सिर्फ 10 skip count by 10. तो जब 10 skip count by 10 आता है तो easy method के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? First of all 1, 2, 3 counting forward 4, 5, 6, 7. हमारे पास another examples होंगे तो हम उसके according second digits को same and first digit को counting forward में लिखेंगे only 2 digits वाले. Okay? Is that clear? Then next again 38, 35 and 32. So backward directions 38, 35 and 32. So 38 before that 35 count again 37, 36, 35. So 3. direction. So answer is 35. Again repeat, 35 skip count by 3 backward direction. So answer is 32. So 32 skip by 3. Count 31, 30 and 29. So answer is 29. Next again 29. Before that 3. 29. Before that 3 skip by 3 count. So let's start 29, 28, 27 and 26. Is that clear all of you? 26. Before that skip count by 3 backward directions. So let's start count the number. 25, 24, 23. Okay? The next one is 23. Before that skip by 3 count. 22, 21 and 20. Is that clear? Right now fast. Let's take another example, 88 and 90. So counting forward because 88 and 90. So skip count by 2. Count the number 88, 89 and 90. Skip by 2. So let's start 92. After that skip count by 2. 92. 92. After that skip count by 2. 93 and 94. 94. After that skip count by 2. 95, 96. 96. After that skip count by 2. So 98. Is that clear all of you? Right now fast your notebook. Okay? Any problem all of you? Today we will end this topic here. Next video will be next topic. Please stay home, stay safe.